Where to find T5 slip on RBC mobile app. Now in this quick video, I'll show you where you can find your T5 slip using the RBC mobile application. Well, unfortunately, you will not be able to do this. If you log in into your mobile application on your RBC account and then asking to get your T5 slip, which is actually one of the documents that you have in your account, you'll automatically be redirected into their official website, which is here. Now, log in, and then all you have to do is to head straight and then open up the account summary page and then select statements and documents. Select tax documents for all accounts to the bottom of the page, and you should be able to download it via a PDF format for you to have it saved or printed on your end. And that's basically it. That is how simple you can find your T5 RBC slip using the RBC mobile app.